Having get-togethers at your RV is never complete without some music, and with music, you need some speakers. Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro, and this is our 5¼ inch speaker. The product code for this speaker is RP-1722 for the black version and RP-1722 for the white version. So this speaker is a marine speaker. It is UV and water resistant. I'm gonna go ahead and put the dimensions of these speakers up here on the screen for you guys. So this speaker has a dual cone design, and it is made out of a heavy duty durable plastic, and it is recessed. So that means that the majority of the speaker sits in the wall of your RV, where just the speaker face is on the outside, making it look pretty seamless. It has an easy bolt-on installation, and it runs about 4 ohms or 35 watts. If you guys are interested in this product, please check out the link down below. And while you're down there, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.